We're gonna start this one off. You're gonna pull with your left arm and step out, out, go. Bang your head. Roll, step. Knock your noggin, roll. Practice, cross and kiss and swing those hips. Hug and kiss and swing those hips. Pull out left arm.
Touch me like you touch nobody. Put your hands all up on me.
Do it fast, hug. Four more times. 4, 3, 2. Pull. You know it all now. Knock some sense into yourself. My legs are burning, yeah. Practice the hard part. Hug and kiss and swing those hips again. Pull left arm, roll. Do it slow. Hug. Down. Kiss. Down. Right. Left. Roll. Booty touch the floor. Fast. I can't lip sync this part, I'm sorry. Feet. Pull. Touch me like you touch nobody. Put your hands all up on me. Tired of hearing sorry. So make it kiss and make up. How about we leave this party? 'Cause all I want is you up on me. Tired of hearing sorry. So make it kiss and make up. 4, kiss and make up. 3, make it kiss and make up. 2, kiss and make up. 1, kiss and make up. Other way. 2 more times. Pose. Oh my gosh, you did it! Not time to stop now. Do the next video and let's keep this going.